Hey there, hope you're doing well. I just want to do a little test spot. This 2012 Chevy Tahoe PPV has a lot of swirls and I'm losing sunlight. It's getting kind of dark, but hopefully the camera picks it up. I mean, this paint is swirled up the bejesus. So I want to do like this little section here. I just did a rinseless wash and clayed this, and I've got some Uno Advanced inside the pad. I put like 5 drops of the Uno Advanced in there and just, kind of got it in there. And what is it called? Priming the pad. So I prime the pad, and then I like to take it across the surface and just do that. Actually, almost lower speed here. Just kind of get it even on here. Now I'll turn up to speed 4. Let's go. And this is Uno Advanced. You're supposed to let it sit for 15 minutes, but I just want to see what kind of result I made on this panel. So this is just a quick test because the rest of the car obviously is going to need something done. So let's wipe this off. Oh yeah, way better. It ain't perfect, but man, it looks a lot better. There's some deep scratches in here. This thing has obviously been taken through the auto wash like crazy, but if you just go from here and just come over, it's such a massive difference. And I mean, that's just one pass. So that's really what I'm going to do, and take the rest of the vehicle and just go through it and just do this. So yeah, just wanted to show that process, and I'll try to document this a little bit more. Probably might just do this piecemeal, man, one section at a time. Such a big vehicle, so I don't really feel like doing this all in one go, but this process looks great, and this is awesome to use because it's got ceramic infused protection and a sealant in there. So this is a one-step polish. That blue wool pad finishes out great. Some people say, well, it's coarse, but yeah, man, this looks really good. It's not perfect at all, but yeah, for one pass, whoo, huge difference. Hope the camera picks it up. Like, it's like, is this from there to there? Huge difference, huge difference. So that's my little video, a short one today. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please consider subscribing, hit that notification bell so you'll see more content when I drop it. And I got a lot more coming on this Tahoe. It's got a lot of work to do, but I can see these fender wells look like shit, and the running boards, they need help. And I've already done the this tail here with Cerakote Trim Restore, and it looks awesome. But thanks for watching, and that'll be the end. See you guys on the next one.